Welcome! You're logged into Canva and you are ready to tackle an assignment from your teacher. Let's go. For this assignment, you're going to be doing a recycling infographic. So the first place you'll come is to the search bar here on your Canva home screen. Recycling infographic. Canva is going to come up with 144 templates for you to choose from. The idea of a template is that you find one that you like. You like the colors, you like the fonts, you like the pictures, so that the only thing you need to change are the words. So if your teacher assigns you benefits of recycling, you might pick a "We Love Our Planet" template or "Reduce, Reuse, Recycle," a template like this. Maybe what happens to recycling after we put it in the recycling. Maybe you want to change the words to this one. Where does it go? And then based on your experience at the recycling center, you would change the words here. Let's look at what that would look like. We click on the one we want to use and it pops open a new window. This looks awfully small, so let me show you how to zoom in. Here at the bottom, we slide this bar and it makes everything bigger and easy for us to see. So we don't have a website that we're going to use, so I'm just going to delete that one for now. But here, let's change the words. I double-clicked inside the box and I say, what happens to our recycling? And then we can change these words to be about truly what happens. Garbage or recycling truck picks it up. And I'm not sure what happens, but I'm taking a guess. Gets sorted. And go from there. And each one of these is a text box that can be changed to reflect your knowledge. You can also change the pictures. So if we're looking for a recycling truck, we may want to change this picture here. So I'm going to delete it for now. I'm going to search up here in Elements, recycle truck. See what we can find. Would you look at that right here? I kind of like this one. Maybe this one? I don't know. I'm going to do this one. I clicked on it, it drops it into my picture, and I simply drag it right over here. Do you see these lines that appear, the dotted lines? That tells me what things are lined up with. You don't have to pay too much attention to those, but it's nice to know. Scrolling down here, if we're going to sort the recycling, I don't know what kind of picture would go with sorting. And then whatever happens last, you'll have to figure that out. But that's the whole idea of making an infographic. You take something that already exists as a template and you just change a few things to make it your own. One last and very important step. Are you ready for this? Name it. Don't leave it the template name. Triple click in that box and title it Recycling Infographic. That's all there is to it. Have fun creating.